There's no greater design than nature's design.
John is a minimalist.
Everything's about subtlety here. It's minimal, it's subtle, but the gestures are big.
I make freeform bent wooden light sculpture that looks like a ribbon in space, and one half of the ribbon is light.
His making technique is with wood and linen and LED light. And so he's using wood to sculpt light.
I love that using wood as the diffuser for the light.
You can only force it to do so much. All the different angles and how the curves interact.
The first piece that he put in the gallery sold within days. He immediately developed a following of the top architects and decorators in the world, and he has been consistently selling every single week pieces since we began representing him.
Use the plumb bob and lift the light at the same time. 432 Park was a really interesting and challenging commission. The original design was one large piece, but we turned it into 3 large pieces that related to each other in one large sweeping curve, so that if you were to look up from underneath, it would almost create one large loop. 2 thumbs up.
He makes it a little wider, a little longer, a little thicker. It never loses its proportion, it never loses its elegance.
It felt like I was just waiting for that connection, and it would cause that spark, and everyone would eventually want one.
Kind of everyone does right now.